What's up guys, what do we have today? Let's open it up and look at it. So this is what we have. It's a Falcon Plus 3-axis gimbal for an action camera like a GoPro or Insta1. It's a decent packaging. All the specifics on the front of the box with says a longer battery life, a wireless control, and a time-lapse shooting feature. This will fit a GoPro including the media mod. So if you're very much into vlogging or using a media mod right now, you can have the media mod and then mount it onto the stabilizer. So and it has a multiple shooting modes. So I believe if you have a mount which can take smartphone, you can even use this gimbal for a smartphone as well. Usually GoPros have stabilization, but a stabilizer like this will give you a much more neat, clean and smooth stabilization. So that is what it is for. So it has some standard details, and yeah, let's unbox this and see what it is. Yeah, so some instructions before using the gimbal: how to mount the camera, what is the leveling that we need to do, front and rear balance adjustments, and some video tutorials are given as a QR code. So if you want to watch some YouTube videos on how to set up a camera onto this gimbal, you can do that. Some cleaning clothes, user manuals, quick start guides, some screws, and probably a charging wire. I believe it takes a USB-C. I hope it takes, because I just don't want to carry an additional wire just to charge the gimbal. Also, it comes with a tripod stand, so if you want to place it somewhere and do the time-lapse shooting, you can do that. So that's one of the mode that this gimbal is capable of. So the build quality is good. I like the build quality. Yeah, this is the GoPro mount where it goes. If you have a GoPro, you can directly use the screw, and I believe the screw is part of this package. Yeah, it is here. I just don't want to open it right now. And a carrying case. Yeah, this is good actually. So you don't have to put it randomly in your backpack, and I think that's all about the packaging. Yeah, nothing else. Long press this button in order to start the gimbal. So if you see, it started, and then it stabilizes it. I'm using it without any camera right now, just to see how good it is stabilizing. And I can control it with the joystick as well. Let's mount a GoPro on it and then test how it works. So we have all this ready. I have got my GoPro. I have a GoPro 8 Black, and yeah, so I'll just go over a couple of things. So first, we need to, you just go ahead and attach your GoPro with the smallest screw, which is the best way, because you don't have to deal with the long GoPro screw. So few things are like, when you have this, try to align your GoPro to this vertical side, and just tighten the screw in this way. And the next thing I would say is loosen this screw and adjust this part to the left or right. So that way you'll get to know if your GoPro is tilting towards left or right and all. Okay, and this is how we turn it on, by long pressing this button. So I would So this is how it is right now. So yeah, as you can see, it stays in the same angle. So even if I do this, if I have to shoot something like this, and then if I have to do these emotions, if I'm jogging or running, as I have a top down angle, you may probably not see the action. The way we turn it off is do this and it's turned off. Okay, so when you turn it off, the camera should align with your GoPro, like vertically. Okay, that is how you see the center of gravity, and depending on that you can adjust this screw or this screw, and then tilt it a bit, tighten sorry, not this one, yeah, this screw, the one which you see here. So first adjust that here and then adjust this one, so you get the center of gravity attained. So you see the vertical thing. So that is how you do. And it has a joystick. You can operate this with a joystick as well if you want to control the gimbal, and you can pair it with the GoPro, and you can start and stop the recording. And this also doubles as a charging indicator. So if you put it on charging, it takes a USB-C. If you put it on charging, it starts glowing and indicating that it is getting charged, and once it is done, it glows all the lights to say that it is fully charged. So here's another angle for you. This is in its regular position, no matter which position it is. So I just go and long press this. Boom. So now if I have this turned on, you can see there is literally no movement, like very smooth movement, even if I take it like very aggressively. Okay, so yeah, and if I have to control this, I can do left, right, up and down. So this is how I can control the panning of it. I can take it to the right, take it to the left. All right, it's very minimal movements, so that you get a video with a great stability on it. All right, that's all. I hope you guys like this. A camera seeing another camera, so you can see the movement. Yep. All right, guys, so that's all for today. I hope the Inkee Falcon Plus the GoPro stabilizer is very much useful for me as well, like shooting more videos on this channel, and it may be helpful for you too. So I'll leave an Amazon link for this in the description. Do check it out, and like and share and subscribe for more videos like this. And I've recently got a Google Pixel Fold, which I have put in the cards on this video, so do check that out as well. It's actually very great. Like, that's my first foldable device, like a vertical book style fold, so do check it out. All right, signing off. Thank you so much once again. Inkee Falcon Plus Stabilizer, it's good. Thank you, guys.